The Status aerial features a booster system and is typically located in the wardrobe or in the cupboard above the fridge. The blue light illuminates to indicate it's active. The aerial is a directional aerial, which means you need to point it to the correct signal mast. If you're not sure where this is, you could check which way other caravan aerials are pointing and then match yours to suit. To change the height of the aerial, loosen the white locking collar and lower or raise the mast as needed. To switch the aerial between horizontal, green, and vertical, red, wind the lower white handle. To alter the direction of the aerial, twist the mast around. The front of the aerial is opposite the collar bar. Once complete, tighten the collar.